for our candidate number 5.
Good morning and mabuhay. I am Precious Dayan Sanyangaga Nilyan, 18 from Barangay Iloilo.
Okay, so Miss Nilyan, so choose number from 1 to 10.
Number 6.
Number 6 is life experiences. What memorable or life-changing experience has shaped your perspective, and how has it prepared you for this pageant? Again, what memorable or life-changing experience has shaped your perspective, and how has it prepared you for this pageant?
Thank you. As a model who represent our municipality on a national stage and earned various awards, I learned that confidence comes from within. And I have clear my dream mantra, which is to lead with purpose, act wisely, and use our voices to make a real difference. Thank you.
Okay, so another number?
Number 1.
Number 1 is personal identity and character. How would you describe yourself using 3 qualities? And how do these traits reflect your journey toward becoming Mukhya ng Tantangan? Again, how would you describe yourself using 3 qualities? And how do these traits reflect your journey toward becoming Mukhya ng Tantangan?
Thank you. I would describe myself as confident, compassionate, and resilient. Confidence because I believe in myself, I believe in my abilities, and face every challenges with grace. 2 is compassionate. I am compassionate because I listen, I empower, and uplift others towards my meaningful action. And resilience because in every setback I experienced, and it has shaped me to become a person I am today, the person who is stronger and wiser and determined. Thank you.
Okay, and for your last question, number 10. Number 10 is about vision and representation. If you are crowned Mukhya ng Tantangan, what meaningful impact or project would you like to start for the youth and the women of our town? Again, if you are crowned Mukhya ng Tantangan, what meaningful impact or project would you like to start for the youth and women of our town?
If I will be given a chance to be crowned as the next Mukhya ng Tantangan 2026, I would like to encourage every woman and you they must raise their voices with honesty, courage, and compassion. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that becoming an ethical leader in our generation is become someone who stands and speak for what is right. That's why I would like to encourage everyone to think critically, act wisely, and use our voices responsibly to make our municipality Tantangan progress and more resilient. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And for our last candidate